Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need 3 prerequisites: a verified account, recovery phrase backup, and secure device. First, open the Vault app and sign in, then confirm device integrity by checking for updates and using a trusted network. Once logged in, navigate to Security or Keys, look for Generate or Export. Click Generate to create the Vault key. Make sure to record the key immediately, on paper and an offline hardware key storage. Treat the key like a secret, never share it. Also enable multi-factor authentication and note the timestamp of creation for audits. Now split and secure the key using a backup strategy. Create at least 2 independent copies. Encrypt one copy with a strong passphrase and store it on an air-gapped device. Store the second copy in a locked safe or a trusted deposit box. Once stored, test retrieval. Decrypt one copy and import it into a disposable Vault instance to confirm usability. If the import fails, check encoding formats, passphrase accuracy, and device compatibility. Keep logs of who accessed backups and why. To finalize, rotate keys on schedule. Replace the Vault key after major changes or every 12 months. Update access policies and revoke old key material immediately. Propagate changes to all dependent services. Once rotation completes, verify all clients can authenticate and that automated jobs still run. For emergencies, create a documented emergency access procedure and assign custodians. Troubleshooting tip: if you cannot import the key, compare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.